Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Anna Benzel. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited to be doing question number 48 in this LeetCode problem set, which the solution is in Python. And this is number 48, rotate image. Full disclosure, I did read this question once before, so I'm going to go ahead and read it again. But I have kind of an idea of what I want to do, so let's jump in. So you're given an n times n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90 degrees or clockwise, rotate it clockwise. You have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation. So this is the example that they're giving us with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So same thing down below here with this example, and then they give us these constraints. And I'm not sure if they actually meant to label this one medium, because I don't think it's medium, because all you have to do, it's like basically 3 steps. You have the length of the matrix, which would be like n equals length matrix, and then you transpose the matrix to swap rows and columns, and then you reverse each row to complete the 90-degree clockwise rotation. So again, not sure that this is medium, and you know what, I might just be doing it wrong, so let's go ahead and give it a shot here where we say the length of matrix, and I want to go ahead and start to transpose this matrix. And like I said, we're just going to swap rows and columns. You guys, I haven't had caffeine yet. I've only had my Olipop, so just bear with me. This is my third LeetCode today. So I'm going to say for I in range of n, and then also for j in range of I and n, so index and n, we're going to say the matrix I and j and matrix I j is, actually I want to reverse that. J I is equal to J I ij. Keeping it classy. So that's the swap, right? We're swapping that I column, or I row, j column. So then we want to reverse each of these rows to complete that 90-degree clockwise rotation, or clockwise rotation. So we're going to say for I in range n, matrix I equals matrix I minus 1. And that's all we should technically need. Unless I'm missing something, but I don't think I am. Yeah, so basically all we did was say, hey, this is the length of this matrix. This is how we're swapping the rows. This is how we do the rotation. So I'm just gonna run it. I just don't, I'm hoping. See what I mean? I don't know how that one was a medium. Riddle me that, Batman. But okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and submit that and see how we stack up. Okay, so in memory we beat 58% of users with Python, and for runtime we beat 68% of users with Python, and I feel pretty good about that, actually. My memory for this was 13.2 and my runtime was 17, so Not bad for like 8 minutes to figure that out. I think this one was mislabeled though, if I'm being honest. Because this one, I mean, didn't seem that hard. Oh, more challenges. German where the matrix can be obtained by rotation. Ooh. I'm excited to look at that one. I'm not going to do it next, but because I want to hit my first 50. I know it's annoying, but I'm going to go ahead and leave this code in the GitHub repo that I have for all of my LeetCode solutions and videos. You guys are more than welcome to fork and clone, make it better, make it worse, have some fun, learn something new. That's what this is all about. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, okay, bye.